Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your bound channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's 9th Avenue class again today. How have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to use Excel to determine the determinants of matrices, right? Good. So we have a 3x3 matrix, 2x2, and then a 4x4 matrix. So let's start by coming to this empty cell, right? Good. So we have equal to determinant, right? Good. So it returns the matrix determinant of an array, right? Good. So we double click on that and then we select what our matrix is and then we hit enter. So we have 9 as the determinant, right? Good. So we are going to do similar stuff for our 2x2. So we have equal to determinant, right? Good. So we have this to be 16, and then finally we come to the 4x4. We still have the determinant, and then we have what our array, then we hit enter to have 62, right? Now we can actually check what we have done. You know, the application of this is maybe when you are doing adjustment computation, or maybe another mathematical calculation that has to do with matrices, and then you need to calculate or determine the determinant of your matrix. So this is one easy way. However, we can just run a check. Okay, let's start by using our 2x2 matrix. So you know your determinant is just equal to, let's open a bracket, it will be this multiplied by this. So we can just close this bracket minus, we open another bracket, this multiplied by this, right? Good. So we can close that bracket. So you now see that it returns 16, which we have gotten automatically. Now because of the length of or because of the dimension of this 3x3 matrix, we have actually written the formula earlier before ever we started the tutorial. So we are just going to explain what the different syntax is. You can see that all the cells we are selected, right? Good. So the first thing is that we have our B2, which is this, right? Good. So when you are carrying out matrix multiplication, the signs are alternating. So we have plus, we have minus, and then we have plus, right? Good. So whatever values you have here, the first A11 is plus, B12 is minus, and then C13 is plus, right? Good. So that's how the signs alternate. So if you come back to our formula, the first thing we want to show to you is that the first is plus, this minus here is because of the alternating sign, and then the plus here is what this plus, right? Good. That's our D2, right? Good. So it will now be cell B2 multiplied by C3, which is this, by D4, then minus D3 by what, C4, right? Good. Because since we are dealing with 2, whatever we have in this row will not be touched, whatever we have in this column will not be touched, right? Good. So we are just working with this 2x2 matrix. Similarly, when we get to 3, we should now be minus 3. That's why you can see minus C2 here. So we are not going to deal with anything in this first row, and we are not going to do with anything in this second column. So it will now be 4 times 9, which is what, B3, and then 9, which is what, D4, right? Good. Minus D3 by B4. So we close that, and then we finally open what, we finally start the last one, which is what, cell D1, which has 1 in it, and then we run it through. So that's another way to now check that it returns 9, which the determinant actually gave to us as the determinant of the matrix. So you can actually check with the 4x4 matrix if you want to, or you can just stick to using the determinant that Excel provides. So thanks for coming to class. We hope we have shown you how to calculate or how to determine the determinants of matrices using Excel, and perhaps also checking with 2 matrices, right? Good. So we are going to see you on the next tutorial. Ensure you keep staying safe and have a very good time. Bye.